Ivanita Lomeli is so excited to decorating her house for Christmas, and Lucas Dobre helped his girlfriend to decorating home. And Ivan pet dog helped to Lucas and Ivan to decorating home. And also Ivan pet dog was so excited for Christmas. Ivanita Lomeli pet dog Blue is so aggressive mood and he trying to bite Ivanita Lomeli. Then Lucas Dobre catch him and cute care of Ivan pet dog. Then suddenly pet dog bit Lucas Dobre hand and Ivan is so worried about it and she will angry to her pet dog, and Lucas Dobre condition is so bad and they will take care of Lucas Dobre. So guys, let's see the next video.